Now, let's try the Jun Mah, the turning stance. Jun means to turn and Ma is the stance. We're going to start this with the Silam Tao Ma, so let's chamber our hands. Let's bend our knees. Let's go toes out, heels out. Nicely done. Now we're going to transfer weight lightly to the other side, turn the waist, and let the waist turn the toe. We don't want to open up the hip like that. We want to keep it closed. So let's turn back, and let's just turn this side. And turn back. Now I turn back in one motion through the, keeping that knee inward. See that? I keep the knee inward. Let's put weight here lightly and turn. Let the waist dictate the motion. Okay? I'm going to push this way, and my turning of my waist opens up. I don't open up the hip. See that? We don't want to open up that hip. It's going to take weight off the center line when our opponent's actually in front of us here. We want to be here. One of the things that you want to make sure you're not doing is sending a whole bunch of weight and leaning. We're just lightly putting weight over there. We're going to turn our waist. Let's bring it back. Now this is a dual adductive, which means I'm going to pull my legs together as I turn my waist. Now I just pull. They actually don't move. And I pull together, a little bit of pressure in thighs, inside the thighs, and then in one motion, I pull that knee over. See? I don't want to be doing this with my hip, okay? I want to use my waist. So, weight over, turn the waist, let the foot turn. Don't pull the knee away. See the knee pull away? We want it blocking, putting weight on the center line. Okay? This will take a little bit of work. I would suggest doing it on your socks on a slippery floor, like hardwood floor, linoleum, and it'll allow you to turn much easier until you get the mechanics of the motion. I press here and turn. Weight over and turn. Now what we're not seeing is this. We're on an axis, pivoting here. Because if I need to move over there, I just would take a Wing Chun outward step. Turn. Pull. I pull them together and turn the waist. Pull it together and turn the waist. Down there, my inner thighs are pulling together and I turn the waist. All right? We can practice this with the hands up in the chambered position. We can just 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back. Or we can shift from side to side once we start getting that motion down. Most of that's coming from here and here. There's no hip. Hip is turning the toe out. Turn waist, let foot turn. Bring back in one piece. Turn waist. Give that some practice.